How to change audio pitch in AudioLab. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Next, scroll down to the audio editing tools section and tap on speed changer. Now import the audio file you want to edit from your device. Once the file is loaded, you will see two main options, speed and pitch. To change the audio pitch, simply adjust the pitch slider. Sliding it to the right will increase the pitch, making the audio sound higher, while sliding it to the left will lower the pitch, giving it a deeper tone. You can play the audio in real time to preview the changes and fine-tune it until you get the desired result. Once you are happy with the pitch adjustment, tap the Save button to apply the changes. The modified audio file will be saved on your device, ready for further editing, mixing or sharing. Now you know how to change audio pitch in AudioLab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more audio editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.